lines, yeah. I mean, from where to where, no? The mental health, yeah. Yeah, here I am with Vikram Dutt, the true founder of this amazing mental health program. I met him in year 1999 and see where it has gone. And he's the man behind the scenes, the rock, the connector, the facilitator, the enabler, name it. He's all. And always behind the scenes, a rock, total rock. Yeah. So what do you have to say? Yeah.
It was a great meeting in 1999, and when we started in 2000, the mental health program. People would say, "Are your kids mentally ill?" And it took forever to make them understand that it's not a question of being mentally ill; it's a question of mental well-being.
That's a very good word, huh?
And like you have an absence of physical well-being, you also have an absence of mental well-being. Fortunately, Home of Hope, that's Anil Lal and you at that time, immediately understood what we at Uday and Care were talking about and said, "We'll fund you. How much do you need?" And you gave us exactly what we needed. You didn't say, "Cut this or reduce that."
And we couldn't afford a psychiatrist, so we just had a psychologist and a social worker. I remember that, yeah.
Yes, though now of course we have a psychiatrist on board.
And look where it's become international now.
Well, it's now become international. People are recognizing. It's become Rule 46 of the Juvenile Justice Act.
Yeah.
Amended in 2007.
Yeah.
And today it's across all the SAARC countries. The SAARC is the South Asia Association for Regional Cooperation that includes 8 countries of this region. Afghanistan, Bhutan, Nepal, these are the mountain countries. Then there's Pakistan and Bangladesh, our neighbors, Maldives and Sri Lanka, the two islands, and India.
Wow, and I heard a journal is going to be published.
The journal has been released.
Released today. The
yesterday.
journal is being, okay.
It was released yesterday. It's called Institutional Children, Expectations and Beyond.
Wonderful.
People think that orphans and those in institutions, at best, they can have some minimal education and get into low-grade jobs.
Yeah.
Whereas we have believed that they are capable of rising to the skies.
Rising to the
skies. We demonstrated it. And this workshop, the first of, I'm sure, annual feature, will demonstrate how this strategy of good mental health can lead to people getting as good jobs and leading as good fulfilled lives as those from the elite educational institutions.
And I remember Vikram, I remember meeting you in 1999, and you are the brainchild. I mean, you are really the brainchild behind all this happening. You're the father of mental health.
I think that's
you really
kind of
are.
To say.
No, you're the father. You need a visionary. You need a thinker. You need somebody like you to make things happen. And we are the ones who kind of follow your advice. But what you have done for HOH, and you have such an amazing vision and so much insight into the future.
Thank you. That's kind of you to say. But the way I look at it is that I'm the Zubin Mehta of the orchestra.
Zubin Mehta of the orchestra. I love it.
150 top-class specialists. And there can be only one.
I like that.
Person who directs the opera.
Yeah.
So I consider myself the Zubin Mehta.
Well, we need a Zubin Mehta.
Orchestra.
You've been the Zubin Mehta for the mental health, and then in Manovikas, what you have done for the mentally challenged. I mean, God bless you, Vikram. God bless you. We in HOH are so blessed to have met you, connected with you, and gone along with you in this journey.